What should I do if an Uber ride shows up on my bank statement, but I didn't take the ride?
Hello, it's great to have you here. Today, we'll be discussing a critical issue. What should you do if an Uber ride shows up on your bank statement, but you didn't take the ride? It's unsettling when there are discrepancies in your bank statements, but don't worry. We will guide you through the process of solving this issue step by step.
Is it really an unauthorized charge?
First things first, make sure it's really an unauthorized charge. It might be that you forgot about a ride, or someone in your family took a ride using your account. Check with them first before proceeding.
Check your Uber account.
After ruling out any legitimate charges, log into your Uber account and check your ride history. This can be found in the Your Trips section. If the ride in question doesn't appear there, it's possible that your account has been compromised.
Report to Uber immediately.
If your account seems to have been compromised, reach out to Uber's customer service immediately. Report the issue, providing as much detail as possible about the charge. This can include date, amount, and the fact that it doesn't align with your ride history.
Monitor your account and update your password.
In the meantime, monitor your account and update your password. Ensure you choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used on any other sites. This can help protect your account from further unauthorized access.
Inform your bank.
Next, contact your bank. Inform them about the unauthorized charge and request their assistance in disputing it. Most banks have processes for handling such situations.
Be patient and follow up.
Lastly, be patient and follow up. It might take a while for the issue to be resolved, but it's essential to check in regularly with Uber and your bank until it's settled. And that wraps up our guide on what to do when you're charged for an Uber ride you didn't take. Remember, it's crucial to act swiftly and report the issue to both Uber and your bank. Stay safe and always keep an eye on your financial transactions. I hope this video was helpful. Until next time, take care.